Oh, hey, you. Hey, thank you for tuning in. This is your first time. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. All right, my name is Tony B, and today I'm going to show you guys how I make my custom wigs and how you can make your custom wigs if you want to. All right, so we got two parts of the videos. Make sure you stay tuned for both. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I love y'all. Peace. All right, Kingdom family, we at it. What's up, Kingdom family? What up? Y'all already liked and comment and subscribed already, so we ain't got to talk about that because we already did that. All right, now what I'm doing right now is I'm securing that cap. Like you secure the back, you want to make sure you secure that cap. All right, now if you're going to be selling wigs, if you're going to start your own business, you got to learn how to secure that cap. Look how I'm pinning it down. And you want to make sure you get the measurements right, because that's going to determine how far up those edges go. You see how I got that cap up? You know what I'm saying? You know, you want to, and you may have to take those pins out to readjust that cap, but you want to make sure that cap is glove fitted. All right, that measurement should be 8. You want to make sure that your headline is measuring 8 inches from the bottom of that head to the top. You see what I'm doing? That's 8. All right, now we got that closure in here, right? We're going to secure that bad boy. We want to secure with pins. Now don't sew it down yet. All right, you want to secure it really well with pins, and before you sew it down, you want to go ahead and feel the lace. All right, make sure that lace is flat and then sew it down. All right, now we creating the tracking, this is basically how I do my tracks. You know what I'm saying? You guys seen this before. You've seen one, you've seen them all, but this is gonna make sure I don't overlap my tracks. All right, yeah. So I pretty much saw my closure before I lay my tracks. All right, now I'm filling in those lines. Make sure you fill in those lines because you don't want to get lost. Now they're not neat, they're not the best lines, but it's gonna give you a good idea. Now I'm double tracking my tracks right now, just so I can fit all the bundles that I need to fit in the cap. All right, and also I want to make it full. All right, now I'm only using 3 bundles, but I want to make sure I make it full. All right, so here we go. We sewing that bad boy on. As you can see, it makes it really easy for me to know where I'm going because of the white lines. All right, that's why it's very important that you create those lines. Now make sure you make those lines straight. Don't worry about the cap. Make sure you make those lines straight. All right, the cap can be a little wrinkled, but the lines need to be straight. All right, now, all right. So you want to make sure you also double. You reverse, all right? Because when you double and the track, it just secures it a little bit more. It makes it a little bit more flat, and it helps the wig to last a little longer as far as the tracks are concerned. You don't want no tracks being loose, all right? So there you go. All right, so yeah, I'm pretty much finished here. As you can see, you like it, you see it, it's almost done, y'all. The boy is almost done. So if this is something that you want to do, you guys, I taught myself this. I haven't taken any classes. I just took my time because before I was my hands are ashy. Sorry, y'all. I wash my hands a lot, so sorry. Anyway, before I was making my wigs by hand for years, and I just decided to take a leap of faith and learn the sewing machine, and it has been a lifesaver. I make more wigs, I make more money. You see how neat that track is? Look, don't play with me. Do not play with me. All right, that was a little aggressive. Sorry, y'all. All right, so yeah, this is Body Wave here for my collection. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tune in for part 2. Love y'all.